Hello everyone. Welcome back to our page. I just want 2 minutes of yours. So let's talk about productivity. People out there say that, to have amazing productivity, you need to focus on one task. Avoid multitasking. You need to prioritize your work. And whatnot. And then when we switch to technology, we use so many different apps and softwares to increase productivity. Like apps and softwares for business conversation, task management apps and softwares, notes-taking apps, getting data from all different platforms. So are you really avoiding the multitasking? Or doing multitasking for apps? That's why we are introducing HyLyt, that does everything for you. You focus on task, and let HyLyt app do multitasking for you. HyLyt helps you save 30 minutes a day. You can download demo version for free. And I am sure you will love it. See you on HyLyt.